Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your NordVPN free trial step by step clearly. First, confirm where you started the trial, because cancellation must be done on the same platform you used to subscribe. If you started on the NordVPN website, open a browser and go to NordVPN.com and sign into your account. After signing in, click your account profile or dashboard to access your subscription settings. Find the section called Billing, Subscription, or Payments, depending on what you see in your account menu. Open the Subscription or Plan Details page to view your active trial or current plan. Look for an option that says Cancel Subscription, Cancel Automatic Renewal, or Turn Off Auto Renewal. Click the Cancel option and carefully read any on-screen notes about when your access will end. Select the reason if NordVPN asks for feedback, then continue to the next screen. Confirm the cancellation by clicking the final Confirm Cancel or Turn Off Auto Renewal button. Check for a confirmation message on the page that states your auto renewal is disabled or your subscription is canceled. Now open your email inbox and search for a NordVPN email confirming the change, and keep it for your records. If you do not see the email, also check your spam or promotions folder to be sure it did not land there. If you started the trial on iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app on your device. Tap your Apple ID name at the top. Then tap Subscriptions to view your active subscriptions. Find NordVPN in the list. Tap it, and then tap Cancel Subscription. If you see an option to cancel free trial, tap that and confirm to finish. If you started the trial on Android via Google Play, open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon, then choose Payments and Subscriptions, and then Subscriptions. Select NordVPN, tap Cancel Subscription, and follow the prompts to confirm. After canceling on Google Play, return to the subscriptions list to make sure NordVPN shows as canceled or expiring. If you subscribe through Amazon, open Amazon, go to your memberships and subscriptions, and locate NordVPN. Choose Manage Subscription and then select the option to cancel or turn off renewal. If you are unsure which method you used, check your bank statement for the merchant name like NordVPN, Apple, Google, or Amazon. If you canceled but still see access in the app, remember you may keep premium access until the trial end date. To avoid accidental charges, cancel at least 24 hours before the trial ends, especially for Apple or Google subscriptions. If the cancel button is missing, contact NordVPN support through live chat and ask them to disable auto renewal for your account. When talking to support, provide the email on your NordVPN account and the platform you use to start the trial. Finally, take a screenshot of the cancellation confirmation page or subscription status for extra proof. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.